Hello everyone and welcome to Master Classes Patiala. I know this been a very crucial stage for all of you because there are a few days left in your interview. I know that is your last step standing in between whether you will be a future SDM or not. I know you have worked hard for a long time since 2022 and now you have appeared your examination in 2024 and now, this is the last stage left that will decide whether your boat will sail across the ocean or not. So, in this regard, I am going to teach you, help you, guide you about this important topic of soft skills and dress code for your interview. Trust me, this is a very important topic for an interview. Now, first of all, what are soft skills? Soft skills are those interpersonal skills that reflect your personality, that reflect your personality traits. The interviewers are going to judge your personality. They are going to judge you. They are going to see how you sit in an interview, how you enter the interview room, how you walk through the interview door up to the chair, how you sit into that chair, how well you are dressed, how well groomed your hairs, your beard, or your whole personality is. Whether you speak confidently, whether you create a positive aura to that room, do they feel that you are trustworthy enough to be selected as an SDM? Or are you carrying a beautiful smile along the interview? All these things, all these factors come into the soft skills, your interpersonal skills. And one question that why these things are so much important. Here, in an interview, this is the first thing that is judged. Trust me, the first 5 seconds of your interview are very much important because the interviews are going to judge you in those first 5 seconds. Before you even speak a word, you are just entering the room, you are just walking up to the chair, you are going to sit into that chair, you have given greetings to them. Whether you have made eye contact to them, whether you have made eye contact to just one of them or to all of them, how well you have walked up to the chair, all these things will be judged by the interview panel. So, I think your knowledge must have been tested in your examinations, and you know that. I know your whole work experience, your 10, 12, 15 years of experience must be reflected in your ACR files. That all information is already with the interviewers. But one thing that is missing is your personality traits. One thing that is going to be judged are your soft skills. Whether you are a good leader or not, whether you are well versed with good communication skills or not, whether you are a good negotiator or not, can you handle stress or not, can you deal out of a very technical, very conflicting situation or not, above all, do you deserve to be SDM or not? All these things, all these major questions are judged just based on those first few minutes of your interview are very, very, very important because those first few minutes or those first few seconds of the interview will decide your destiny. All those interviews will create a perception out of you after your personality in very first few seconds or few minutes. So you must be very careful, you must be very well dressed, you must speak in a very fluent, in a very confident manner, you must smile all along the interview. All these things come under soft skills. All these things may sound to you very less meaningful, but yes, these soft skills can really sail your boat across the ocean. So, not speaking much in this video, I must end this video now and will make a few more videos about soft skills and interpersonal skills or the dressing code for your interview. So just stay tuned with our channel Masterclasses Patiala. If you have any query, you must call on the phone number displayed on the screen, and we can definitely help you out in any of your concern. You can personally meet us at the office, and for further videos, please stay connected. Thank you very much.